This electric air duster delivers remarkably strong airflow at very high rotational speed, making it far more effective than typical canned air for dislodging dust from tight spaces in keyboards, computers, and electronics. Its rechargeable battery tops up in only a few hours, yet can run for a long continuous session on the gentlest setting, so it handles whole system cleanings without constantly needing a charge. 3 distinct power levels let you dial in just the right force, from careful cleaning of delicate components to blasting away stubborn debris inside cases, vents, and car interiors. A thoughtful set of interchangeable nozzles and brushes, combined with the very light overall weight, makes it easy to adapt the tool for home, office, automotive, and outdoor cleaning jobs. Because it replaces disposable compressed air cans, this duster cuts down on waste and recurring purchases while still providing strong, consistent performance every time you use it. The sturdy build quality and comfortable cordless design make it a dependable, everyday cleaner that feels well suited for frequent use around electronics and general household dusting.